do it like this. This is this is normal. This is normal alert. Okay, inside this alert have something like this: ahref, then put hash class. It is called close. You want it to close, abi? Data dismiss equals to alert. Area area label. Yeah, you just the name you want to give to it. Close. So what do you want to display? What do you want to display? It might be here. And the thing should be like times. That closing icon should be like times. So this is times. So close it. Now let's check this thing out. Now you can see that star here, but it's down. That is not okay. Just remove it from here. Put it on top of your paragraph. Put it here. So let's see. Wow, it's okay now. If I click on this, what happens? Nothing happens, and it should just clear this thing out, and I want to see it again. If I click on this thing, this should disappear. So that's when you need JavaScript. I told you that JavaScript is meant to control and to add effects, to add commands to your web page. Something like if you click, so this one is action something. So you perform action, and HTML cannot do that. So I'm going to use two libraries now, and that library you put it before the end of your body tag. The first one is jQuery. Let's check our folder here whether we have JS. Yes, jQuery and Bootstrap. If you don't have it before, just go online and search jQuery, or go to this place. Go to this place here. webbuilder7.com slash library slash jQuery.js. So in this place you download jQuery. You want to download jQuery bootstrap.js, go to this place, bootstrap.js. I want to download bootstrap.css, go to this place, bootstrap.css. So go to these three places to download all our files we use in this document. See, okay. So let's now use that jQuery, and you write like this: script src equals to JS folder. It's inside JS folder, so jQuery.js. So that's the first library you use. The second library you use is src JS folder bootstrap.js. That's all. So let's now run our code now. Refresh. So if I click on this, you can see it goes. Before it did not go. Okay, let me show you. Maybe I didn't click before. Let's assume this thing is not there. This thing is not there. Let's assume. So I now click on this. You see it does not go. So but if you put this, click here, it disappears. So that is a simple way. And if you want the disappear to fade, something like that, you can just write fade in this place. Let's maybe this thing is not success. So fade in. This place you can change it. You can change it. You can change it to alert success, danger, warning, info. So let's click here. You see it disappears small. So it's a simple way to do that. All right. Now let's discuss about button. I'm still inside this container now. This is where we are performing our miracle. With button, you can have button like this button. You can put style, for example, button anyhow. So let me put my button. So you can see how this thing displays. No style, no design. So by adding class, let's call it btn. So that btn is a class button. You can see that it changes. If you now want to change the color of btn to which color is it? Success, which is green. This is success. Then put break so that this thing will come down small. This is success. We have danger. This is danger. We have primary. This is primary. We have info. We have warning. We have link. This is job like link. And there's something you need to understand, that to style a button like and this btn warning and so on, whatever, it is not only for button. We can have it for this like this. Then put btn success, my link. Let's see what will happen. What's different? No different. That means that btn success is very useful for both link and button. Okay, what let's have something like this. To make this thing big or small, you add which one I want to use. Let me use the first one. You can use this one. Anyone. btn small. You know this one will use that is small. Large is large. Extra small that is small. MD medium. Can see. So by default, it's medium. And also maybe you want it to full the screen. To full the screen, that's when to use what is called block like this. Let me remove this thing. You put button block. You can see to add button block here also. Button block. So that's what is called block. And if you want one to be disabled, just put disabled. You can see you can't click on the first one. You see the icon now. It's telling me that this thing is disabled. Or you add it to the second one here. Disabled. You can see it's telling me that I can't click on it. Why? Because it is disabled. What if you want it to be active? It means you see that it's as if I click on it. That's what's called active. Okay, let's now say we have a button group. How you deal with button group? Let's go. Button group is like this. You create a div class called BT group. Inside there we have the first button. Let's say type button. What is the content? Let me put Apple. Then let's add class to it. btn primary. That is the first button I have. You know it's button group, that group of button. So let me have like 3. The second one should be Samsung. This one should be Sony. Let's check it. You can see how they join together. Yeah, because we said button group. You want this one to be different and then change this. You can see. Okay. Alright, and if you want this to be big, something like that, like this, btn group, big or small or medium like that. This guy is big.